Do you know how to create the Excel dataset with ChatGPT just in 1 second? Guys, very powerful tool. Let's go. At the beginning, just write in the Google openai.com. As the first request of our dataset, we just need to write what we wanna do. In this case, I just wrote generate a dataset with 20 rows based on the product type, customer ID, quantity, price, and purchase. Let's see what is going to happen. Very cool. Just in 1 second, AI made a cool example for us. It is also asked if we wanna get this file in CSV or in the Excel format. In this case, we are going to write the in Excel file and the system is going to create the Excel file. Opening our file, sometimes it can happen that the ChatGPT provides us duplicate data. In this case, just go to conditional formatting and select duplicate data. If you wanna cancel them, go to data and cancel duplicate data. It can also happen that sometimes the dataset doesn't include the formula. For example, in this case, the total amount sold is not perfect. But anyway, guys, another very powerful and cool thing that I find with the ChatGPT is that you can drag the file directly to the system. And if you write some question, like for example, in this case, sort the data by the highest amount, ChatGPT is going to elaborate this data and create the new file Excel. For us, it means that we are going to save a lot of time and we can make so many requests that we want. Guys, but do you know how to install ChatGPT directly to the Excel? In the comments, you will find the video. Just one small thing from my side to develop better this channel, let's grow together by following this channel. Put your like and subscribe.